Definition. The function f is 1 to 1 if, for any x sub 1, x sub 2 in the domain of x, then f of x sub 1 should not be equal to f of x sub 2. That is, the same y value is never paired with two different x values. In example 1 to 5, determine whether the given relation is a function. If it is a function, determine whether it is 1 to 1 or not. Example 1. The relation pairing an SSS member to his or her SSS number. Solution. Each SSS member is assigned to a unique SSS number. Thus, the relation is a function. Furthermore, two different members cannot be assigned with the same SSS number. Thus, the function is 1 to 1. Example 2. The relation pairing a real number to its square. Solution. Each real number has a unique perfect square. Thus, the relation is a function. However, two different real numbers such as 2 and -2 may have the same square. Thus, the function is not 1 to 1. Example 3. The relation pairing an airport to its airport code. Airport codes are three-letter codes used to uniquely identify airports around the world and prominently displayed on check-in bags to denote the destination of these bags. Here are some examples of airport codes. MNL, Ninoy Aquino International Airport, all terminals. CEB, Mactan Cebu International Airport. DVO, Francisco Bango International Airport, Davao. JFK, John F. Kennedy International Airport, New York City. CDG, Charles de Gaulle International Airport, Paris, France. Example 4. The relation pairing a person to his or her citizenship. Solution. The relation is not a function because a person can have dual citizenship. For example, citizenship is not unique. Example 5. The relation pairing a distance in kilometers traveled along a given jeepney route to the jeepney fare for traveling that distance. Solution. The relation is a function since each distance traveled along a given jeepney route has an official fare. In fact, as shown in Lesson 1, the jeepney fare may be represented by a piecewise function as shown below. Note that d is the floor or greatest integer function applied to d. However, the function is not 1 to 1 because different distances, for example, 2, 3, or 4 kilometers are charged the same rate, 8 pesos, that is, because f of 3 and f of 2 equals f of 3.5, 8. Then f is not 1 to 1. A simple way to determine if a given graph is that of a 1 to 1 function is by using the horizontal line test. Horizontal line test. A function is 1 to 1 if each horizontal line does not intersect the graph at more than one point. A graph showing the plot of y equals x squared minus 4 fails the horizontal line test because some lines intersect the graph at more than one point. The vertical and horizontal line test. All functions satisfy the vertical line test. All one-to-one functions satisfy both the vertical and horizontal line test. Solve example. Which of the following are one-to-one functions? A. Books to authors. B. SIM cards to cell phone numbers. C. True or false questions to answers. Solution. Only B is a one-to-one function. Books can have multiple authors that wrote the book. A true or false question has only one answer, so it is a one-to-one function, but a true answer can correspond to multiple questions. Number 2. Which of the following relations is a one-to-one functions? A. 0 and 0, 1 and 1, 2 and 8, 3 and 27, 4 and 64. B. -2 to 4, -1 and 1, 0 and 0, 1 and 1, 2 and 4. Letter C. 0 and 4, 1 and 5, 2 and 6, 3 and 7, n, and n plus 4. Solution. Both a and c are one-to-one functions. B is a function, however it is not one-to-one since it has y values that are paired up with two different x values. Lesson 9 Supplementary Exercises. Number 1. For what values of k is the set of order pairs 2 and 4, k and 6, 4 and k, a one-to-one function? Number 2. Consider each uppercase letter in the English alphabet as a graph. Is there any of these letters that will pass both the vertical and horizontal line tests? Number 3. The length of a rectangle, I, is 4 more than its width. Let a of 1 be the function mapping the length of the rectangle to its area. Is the function 1